Hello students, today we'll study the poetry section. The first chapter of your poetry section, the poem is A Photograph, written by Shirley Tulson. This poem deals with the feelings of a child with her mother, the mother who is no more. This is an autobiographical poem. In this, Shirley Tulson is describing about her mother. This poem is written in her remembrance with a rather sad tone. It brings out into notice that time changes everything. It forces on the lives of human and objects, and we all are bound to these changes. The poetess, through the description of her mother's memories, invites our attention to the transitory nature of human life. While nature's entities are eternal, man's life is just like a bubble. People take birth, grow, and very soon disappear from this mortal world, leaving behind their memories only. The poetess also talks about the pain that one feels when time takes an ugly turn. A photograph of the bygone time acts as a medium to relive the memorable moments of our life. The silence of death silences everything else in life. The poem reflects upon the enjoyable moments of life which have a deep impact on our mind and leave an everlasting imprint. Whenever we see the photograph, we go down the memory lane and cherish the moments of love and happiness and togetherness. Okay, the poem starts with a photograph. It is told as cardboard. It's an unframed family photograph mounted on an ordinary cardboard, and it has turned brownish and somewhat frayed with the passage of years. The photograph stands definitely as a mute witness to the happy childhood days of the poetess mother. It shows her mother as a 12-year-old girl who is frolicking on the sea beach with two of her younger cousins, Betty and Dolly, at her side. The wind blows her hair into her face. Their happiness shows in their faces. Okay, here is the poem. Let us start from here. The cardboard shows me how it was when the two girl cousins went paddling, each one holding one of mother's hand, and she, the big girl, some 12 years or so, So who is she here? The mother of Shirley Tulson, and they all have gone for the sea holidays. All three stood still to smile through their hair at the uncle with the camera. So means they all three stood still for the photograph that it should be clicked nicely. And who is going to click? Their uncle. A sweet face, my mother's, that was before I was born. In the photograph, the mother's face is looking very sweet. And the sea, which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. Why it is called transient? Because the feet are no more with us. And here it shows that the human's life is transient, means not long lasting, while the ocean is not at all changed. After some 20-30 years later, she would laugh at the snapshot. Snapshot means that photograph. She would say that, see, Betty and Dolly, she would say, and look how they dressed up for the beach. Because in the photograph it was their childhood. So she is just feeling fun to see that how they have dressed up for the beach holiday. The sea holidays was her past, and mine in her laughter. Mine in her laughter. Here, mine is Shirley Tulson, and the laughter of her mother is no more with her. In this way, the laughter is her past. Both thrive with the labored ease of loss. Means both the things are twisted, both the things have gone with the labored ease of loss. Means this is a kind of loss which gives a kind of feeling of ease, but in the same way it gives the feeling of loss. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived. Means in the photograph, the life of that girl is 12 years, and now the mother has been dead from around 12 years. Means the mother got died before 12 years. End of this circumstance, there is nothing to say at all. It's silence, silence. So let us come back on the summary of the chapter again. Now you might have understood that here the story or the theme of this poem is moving in the flashback, where the poet is talking about the mother and her cousin, and she remembers everything about her through the photograph. Now mother has long departed from earth after living her full life, but the sea has hardly changed in the years gone by. So the contrast is so striking. The photograph takes Shirley down the memory lane. She recollects how her mother, who is no more now, used to smile whenever she looked at this photograph. Both the happy moments have receded to the oblivion, never to return. The sense of loss is painful. Shirley feels the loss as acutely as her mother did. And what loss mother was feeling? The loss of childhood when she spent a beautiful time with her cousins. At the end, the central idea of the chapter is given that every living being will perish, every inanimate object will head to the scrapyard, and every fun filled activity will fall silent. This is the rule of the nature.